Hi friends, now I would like to explain how do you use MATLAB software in mobile and how do you install it if you have an account. See, first I'm going to the Google Store. Enter the MATLAB. Now observe here MATLAB mobile app is appearing now. Click on the install. So now it is installed. Now I am opening this. Press the continue. I already have an account in a MathWorks, so that's why that I am typing and press the next. So it will ask the password. See, now it is connecting to MathWorks cloud. So it means that using a mobile app, how you use a MATLAB software. So if network is good, immediately it will open up. So now here the prompt is appearing. Here you can type whatever the syntax you want. See, suppose the 2 plus 2 I'm typing, or I'm removing the screen. CLC means clear command screen. Now I will define x as a symbol. Now the function is equal to sin x. And I would like to find the differentiation of this diff of x. Suppose differentiation of the function with respect to x, and suppose that twice second order derivative if you want to find minus. So this is, friends, how do you use a MATLAB in mobile if you have an account or your organization an account. Thank you.